When you're behind on your mortgage payments, you may start receiving all kinds of paperwork in the mail, including official-looking letters from the bank and others. The 4 letters I will be discussing in this video are the 150-day Notice of Right to Cure, the Notice of Right to Request a Modified Mortgage Loan, the Order of Notice from Land Court, and a 14-day Notice of Foreclosure Sale. After you fall behind on your mortgage payments, the bank may take a few months to start the foreclosure process by sending you what's called a 150-day Notice of Right to Cure. This notice informs you of a right you have under Massachusetts law to come current on your mortgage payments by paying the payments that you've missed, plus late fees, but without paying any foreclosure-related attorney's fees. If you haven't received a 150-day Notice of Right to Cure in the last 3 to 5 years as the result of a previous default, the bank must send you this notice and allow you the right to cure. This notice is very important for 2 reasons. First, the notice lets you know that the foreclosure process has started, and this should be a signal to you that if you haven't already reached out for help, now is the time to get help from a housing counselor and apply for a loan modification or other relief. Second, this notice gives you a 90 to 150-day period to sort things out with your bank before the bank can start racking up thousands of dollars in foreclosure-related legal fees, which can create an additional obstacle to coming current. After you fall behind on your mortgage payments, one of the letters you might receive in the mail is called a Notice of Right to Request a Modified Mortgage Loan. This notice, which is usually sent along with the 150-day Notice of Right to Cure, gives you the opportunity to apply for a loan modification. In Massachusetts, if you respond to this notice within 30 days of the date of the notice, you may have the legal right to an affordable loan modification. In addition, you must respond to this notice within 30 days of the date of the notice, or your cure period will be reduced to 90 days. Even if you've tried to apply for a loan modification in the past and experienced frustrations or denials, it may be worthwhile to respond to the notice because Massachusetts law provides special protections to homeowners who do, and responding may preserve your right to a loan modification under Massachusetts law. Another document many people get in the mail when they fall behind on their mortgage payments is an Order of Notice from Land Court. This document indicates that the bank has started a lawsuit for the limited purpose of determining if you are active in the military. If you are, you have special protections under the law, and you should respond to this document. If you are not in active military service, you do not need to respond to this notice. The last pre-foreclosure notice you will receive from the bank is a notice informing you of your foreclosure sale date. Your bank must send this notice at least 14 days before the foreclosure sale. If you have a loan modification application pending when you receive this notice, you should reach out to the Massachusetts Attorney General's Home Court program using the contact information on our website and let them know on your intake form that you have a foreclosure sale date and that you have submitted a loan modification application. To summarize this video, there are many legal steps the bank must take before it can foreclose. If you receive a Notice of Right to Cure and you have not already asked the bank for assistance, you should. If you receive a Notice of Right to apply for a modified mortgage loan, it is important to respond within 30 days to protect your rights.